Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about PHP and APIs. PHP is a server-side scripting language utilized for web development tasks. It enables the creation of dynamic web pages and back-end systems for websites. On the other hand, an API, Application Programming Interface, serves as a set of rules and protocols for developing and interacting with software applications. For instance, a mobile app using a social media API can retrieve user data from the social media platform to display on the app interface seamlessly. PHP code is integrated within HTML code and is processed on the server. For instance, the PHP echo statement can be used to display Hello World on a web page. This combination of PHP within HTML allows for dynamic content generation on websites. An Application Programming Interface, API, serves as an intermediary that enables various software systems to interact and share information seamlessly. APIs establish the protocols and procedures for requesting and transmitting data. For instance, in the Python code snippet provided, the requests.get method is employed to fetch data from the https:/api.example.com's data endpoint with the response.json method extracting the data in JSON format for further processing or display. This exemplifies how APIs facilitate data exchange between systems by specifying the methods for data retrieval and manipulation. PHP is like the engine of a car. It is responsible for powering the car and making it run smoothly. APIs are like the roads that connect different destinations, allowing information to be exchanged between different systems. Just like how a car uses the roads to reach its destination, a PHP program can use APIs to retrieve or send data to external sources. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. This PHP script serves as a basic example of how to leverage APIs in PHP to fetch data from an external source. In this scenario, PHP acts as the engine driving the execution of the program. The fetch data from API function is designed to communicate with an API by sending a GET request to the specified API endpoint, API URL. Upon successful interaction with the API, the function retrieves the response data, which in this case is stored in the API data variable. The retrieved data is then displayed to the output using echo. In a real-world application, this could be customized to interact with various APIs, such as weather APIs, social media APIs, financial APIs, etc., to fetch and process relevant data. For instance, fetching weather information from a weather API to display current weather conditions on a website, or retrieving user data from a social media API to populate user profiles on a platform. Overall, the script demonstrates the fundamental concept of integrating APIs into PHP applications for data exchange and processing. One real-world example of PHP and APIs working together would be in e-commerce websites. PHP can be used to build the backend of an online store, while APIs can be integrated to retrieve product information, process payments, or interact with shipping services. Another example is in social media platforms. PHP can be used to handle user authentication, content management, and interactions within the platform, while APIs can allow integration with external services for features like sharing posts, importing contacts, or analyzing user data. Both of these examples demonstrate the power of PHP in conjunction with APIs to create dynamic and interactive digital experiences across various industries. Across the globe, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.